Are you looking for an air jack that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. Welcome to Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best air jacks you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Big Red 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack with pneumatic quick lift for industrial and auto use. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. Take on heavy lifting with confidence using the Big Red 20-ton hydraulic aluminum alloy pump bottle jack, a professional-grade tool built for strength, safety, and long-term reliability. Engineered with a robust alloy steel body and a four-corner aluminum alloy pump, this jack is designed to outlast traditional models by up to 30%, thanks to its smooth inner wall and superior heat dissipation that extend its working life. With a load capacity of 20 tons and a lifting range from just over 10 inches to more than 20 inches, it is versatile enough to handle buses, trucks, and large machinery while also being suitable for smaller vehicles when needed. The pneumatic quick lift function saves valuable time and effort, offering a seamless switch between hydraulic and air power for faster, smoother operation. A chromium-plated piston rod enhances durability, while dual reinforced springs ensure an impressive 10,000 cycle lifespan under demanding use. Safety is prioritized with a built-in overload protection valve that prevents excessive weight from damaging the jack or causing accidents. Compact, efficient, and easy to operate, the Big Red 20-ton bottle jack is an essential tool for workshops, garages, and professional service centers worldwide. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. CXRCY 5-ton fast lift triple airbag jack with adjustable handle for cars, SUVs, and trucks for garage and repair work. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. Make lifting tasks safer and easier with the CXRCY Air Jack, a powerful 5-ton pneumatic jack designed for fast performance and long-lasting durability. Built from high-strength steel with thickened rubber, this heavy-duty tool supports up to 11,000 pounds and features a lifting range from 5.5 inches to 16.5 inches, making it versatile enough for cars, minivans, and SUVs. With its quick rise technology, the jack can lift a vehicle in just 3 to 5 seconds, saving valuable time during repairs or maintenance, while the controlled exhaust valve ensures smooth and safe lowering. The long adjustable handle, offering 3 angle settings, reduces effort and makes positioning simple, while durable casters allow for easy portability around the garage or workshop. A thick rubber pad on top protects the chassis from damage, adding extra safety during use. Finished with a full-covering antioxidation matte paint, the CXRCY Air Jack resists rust and corrosion, ensuring reliability over years of use. Whether at home, in an auto repair shop, or for off-road support, this pneumatic jack provides the strength, efficiency, and convenience needed for professional and everyday vehicle maintenance. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Matew's 22-ton air-operated hydraulic floor jack for heavy-duty trucks lifting reliable service and repair. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. Take on heavy-duty lifting tasks with ease using the Matew's 22-ton air hydraulic floor jack, a professional-grade tool built for trucks, trailers, buses, and industrial equipment. Engineered with a robust Q235 steel frame, this jack delivers reliable strength and durability, handling up to 22 tons of weight with confidence. Its versatile lifting range starts at 9 inches and reaches up to nearly 18 inches, making it adaptable for a wide variety of service and repair applications. The 47-inch extended handle with air controls is designed for convenience, reducing operator strain and allowing precise positioning under vehicles, while the adjustable angle from 90 to 180 degrees adds further flexibility. With one smooth pull, the self-retracting ram activates for fast and efficient lifting, saving time during demanding jobs. Two large rubber tires on sturdy steel wheels provide stability and easy mobility across shop floors, while the included saddle extensions in multiple sizes ensure compatibility with different lifting needs. Compact yet powerful, this jack is an essential tool for garages, workshops, and service centers, offering the perfect combination of strength, efficiency, and durability for professional vehicle maintenance. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number one for many users. Number 2. Stark USA 22-ton hydraulic floor jack with air-operated design 4 extension saddles for trucks and heavy vehicles. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. Tackle heavy lifting jobs with confidence using the Stark USA 22-ton hydraulic floor jack, a powerful air-operated axle bottle jack built for both professional and personal use. With an impressive load capacity of 44,000 pounds, this heavy-duty tool is designed to handle buses, RVs, trucks, trailers, and tractors with ease, making it an essential addition to any garage, workshop, or service fleet. Constructed from robust alloy steel with a chrome-plated ram and rust-resistant finish, it offers long-lasting durability and reliable performance even under demanding conditions. The polished piston ram with a Y-style polyurethane sealing ring ensures consistent lifting power, while the 46-inch extended handle with air controls makes positioning simple and reduces operator strain. Adjustable from 90 to 180 degrees, the handle provides smooth operation with a single pull activating the self-retracting ram. Large rubber tires on steel wheels deliver excellent stability, shock absorption, and wear resistance, allowing for easy maneuverability across different surfaces. Complete with 4 steel extension adapters of varying sizes, this jack adapts to multiple lifting needs, offering versatility and convenience. The Stark USA 22-ton hydraulic jack is a commercial-grade solution built for strength, safety, and efficiency. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Vever 5-ton heavy-duty pneumatic triple-bag air jack with adjustable handle lifts up to 18.5 inches for car repairs. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Make vehicle maintenance faster and easier with the Vever Air Jack, a heavy-duty 5-ton triple-bag lift engineered for strength, stability, and convenience. Designed with 6 reinforced steel pipes and a durable alloy steel frame, this jack delivers exceptional reliability and can effortlessly lift up to 11,000 pounds, making it suitable for everything from compact cars and family sedans to pickups and SUVs. Its versatile lifting range of 5.5 to 18.5 inches ensures it adapts to a wide variety of repair and maintenance needs, giving you the flexibility to work on vehicles at different heights without hassle. With an ergonomic adjustable handle and smooth rolling casters, positioning the jack under your vehicle is simple and strain-free, while the easy-to-access valves on the handle allow for quick operation. Just connect an air compressor, operate the valve, and the jack reaches full height in as little as 5 seconds, saving time and effort. Built with a non-slip rubber pad, a 3-layer thick airbag, and an anti-rust electrostatic spray finish, this tool is made to last. The Vever Air Jack is a practical, durable, and efficient upgrade for any garage or workshop. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.